Good evening, a short update on the Pike Stuff Rix Products engine house. Previous video I showed just the components, and I've just done some assembly and painting of parts of it just to show you where I'm up to. This is the sidewalls here that I've assembled. The mode of assembly is they are in 4 pieces that you use these glue strips to basically glue them together, which I like. Very simple, very straightforward. Doors you can cut out to customize, so you can cut out these different little areas. You can also cut to adjust the height of the wall. So cut along there to make it a shorter building. And so what I ended up doing was I cut an extra hole in there to put in a roller door, which is there. And I've given a paint job, I've decided to go with stripes, just for something a bit different. And then this is the other side, very much the same. I didn't cut these ones, the door was in that one and the window slots were in that one. So again, the same setup there. The end pieces, so they're the walls, the end walls are like so. And you've got these little inserts there that give you the framing of the entrance to the engine house, which I painted before putting in, all airbrushed. A few touch-ups here and there, but that'll be taken care of in the weathering stage. So there's one on either end. So basically it's here. If you're looking at a top-down view of it, splayed out, there, it's like that. So these walls will come up like so. There's little joiners or plastic strips which will be used for the corner. Roof-wise, you've got, it's still a bit wet, I've just finished some airbrushing. Again, you've got sort of 4 components which are glued together with these strips in the middle to hold it together. And I have painted them like so. They start off white. I've painted them, again, the glue's a little bit wet still. So I've done this kind of metallic roofing, and I've tried to, for interest, do these kind of, I've used some masking tape to then paint these different sort of color strips here, basically to kind of like emulate, you know, strips of roof that's been replaced and given a bit of weathering, which I'll probably work on a bit more. There are roller doors here, which you can put on the ends if you want to block off an end, or you can sort of cut it and have it coming down a little bit, which I might do. And then you've got these central roof, sort of the spine, so to speak, which will go, so whoops, down the middle here. And then we've got end pieces here. I've just painted these green for the time being. Oops. So there we are. That's kind of how it will look, but all splayed out like that. So imagine that all up, which is, I think, will look a bit nicer than the just going with standard kind of blue and white, which, you know, they show you on the packet because that's what it comes as in the box or in the packet, so to speak. So anyway, yeah, apologies for the wobbly video here, but I just thought I'd whip out a quick one just to show to show where I am at with it. So yeah, once it's assembled, I'll probably do a lot more weathering, and I might also actually, before I assemble it, I might give the inside a paint, so you don't, as you're looking through the thing, you don't see all like the blue and the white bits. So I'll give that all a bit of a paint to make it like maybe a consistent grey or black, some kind of color like that. Anyway, there we are. That's all for now, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.